It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish, baby. We're here, DraftKings Casino, 2K Bankroll, as you know, and we are going to exclusively play the field as we do in this game of craps. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, gamble responsibly. Let's see what it does this time. We're coming in, $3 bet.
8 easy. We're out on the 8.
There
Mark
we
it.
go, out on the 8, as they said. Let's
Field.
jump $10 bet. That's a loss
6 the easy
right
way.
there. So let's see if we want to recoup our losses.
Field bet. Good luck.
And break even, right? I think we get it right here.
12. Triple the field.
Ooh.
Winner, winner, chicken
So
dinner.
we get a big win right there. That was a triple, baby. So now we're already up $26 in a matter of seconds. Probably the easiest 26 bucks you have ever made if you decided to call it a day right after that. But you already know we ain't gonna call it a day just yet.
Field.
Remember, slow and steady wins the race, right?
7 out. Try
So
it
that's
again.
a loss. We won't go
Get
crazy.
your line and center action
Another
bets in because we're
$3
coming
bet.
on out. 9 center field. The
That's
point
a
is
win
9.
right there.
Mark it.
Let's see,
Garden
$10 bet.
And a 9.
That's another win
Coming
right
out.
there.
Get your bets down while they're hot.
Oh, let's go back. What was that? $5 bet here.
9. The point is 9. Mark it.
There you go, 9 staying alive. So that's already a $41 increase on the balance. Like I said, this comes easy when you're able to do it in a controlled pace situation. Of course, every single session will not be a victory, but we're going to limit the
Field bet.
damage
Good
as
luck.
much as possible, right?
Here's a yo 11.
Boom, another $3 win. Let's do it again.
Here's a 9.
$3 win. One,
Get your
two,
line bet
three.
down. We're coming on out. 10 hard. The point is 10. Mark
So
it.
right there, we're up $50 right now. Let's see. You know, we exclusively play the field, but let's play some. Let's play for the 7, right? The odds are 4-1, right? So let's do this. Let's give it 4 spins actually at $3 to see if we roll the 7, right? So we're gonna go 4 rolls of the dice and see what happens.
Line away. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Press your bet for a steak and lobster dinner.
You can't make this stuff up, man. Right away, the first roll we get the 7 immediately. I'm not gonna go back to that bet. We just covered that bet. We hit it on the very first try. The reason that I wanted to go to that 7 was because I had not seen that roll come out in a while. So I figured, why the heck not? It's bound to come out. And boom, there it was.
Get your line and center action bets in because we're coming on out.
There we go, coming on out, baby. $5 bet.
10 hard 10. We're out on the 10. Mark it.
Let's
Garden
go.
bet.
$10 bet.
6. Easy 6.
That's a loss. Should we go 10 again?
Field.
Let's go 10 again.
8. Easy 8. Corner 8.
So we're down $20 now. We're
Garden
kinda
bet.
chasing here. $25 bet.
10 in the field.
Bang, that's a win. So we get back 5 of those bucks.
Get your bets down. We're
which
coming
we
on
will
out.
Bet right here.
Here's a 5. We're out on the 5. Mark it.
5, not feeling job, right? So that is what happens there. Let's
Field
bet 5
bet.
again.
Good luck. Field wins with the 10.
That was a 10. We're probably gonna stop this session once we reach 100
Garden
bucks.
bet.
We're gonna make that a goal for this particular
And
session.
it's an easy 8.
Right? Let's
Field bet.
bet
Good
that
luck.
same 3 again.
6 easy 6. Came
We
soft and
lost, so
fluffy
we're
like a
betting-
newborn puppy. Field.
We're betting that 3 again. So that's a 7. That's another loss
7 out.
right there. So 3 losses in a row. Let's roll.
Now's the time to get your
for
bets
that
down because
10.
we're coming on out. We're out on the 4.
There we
Mark
go.
it.
We're
Garden
gonna
bet.
bet a 10 again.
The ace and the deuce. Get loose.
There we go. So we're up $83
Field
now.
bet. Good luck.
You know what? Let's bet 15 here.
3 craps. The ace deuce.
Woohoo, let's go. So we're $2 away from the goal.
Garden bet. 9. Center field.
And that's it. We have accomplished the goal, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, we started out with a 2K bankroll. And right now, we just wanted to get a nice small win. But at the end of the day, who makes $100 in 6 minutes, right? So you have to capitalize and just cash out when you get some opportunities like this. Of course, someone coming in with a 2K bankroll, they might want to double their earnings or at least, you know, get something out of it. But this is how you will slowly build the bankroll over time if you want to keep going. But of course, I always take my wins when I can because you know that there will be losses along the way. So why not capitalize, take advantage of those victories, right? So what do you guys think of craps, right? Playing the field. They say it is a sucker's bet, but I see no sucker over here when we're playing, right? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's simple, give it a thumbs down. Please do consider subscribing to the channel as it helps tremendously. Peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.